So hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, sometimes you just cannot run, some things happen and you want to skip a workout. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to actually skip a workout fully in Runna app in 2026. I'm talking here about skipping an individual workout. All we're gonna do is basically open the device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, then open the workout that you want to skip by opening the app itself. All we're gonna do now is wait till it fully opens. So as I always tell you, make sure you are being basically using a good network so you can easily log in, use all of this settings into the app. So for example, you are going to plan activities whatever you want, select the workout you want to change or skip. On the workout details page, tap the skip workout button. Unless it is a key long run, missing one workout won't make much difference to your fitness, so no need to adjust anything else. So what happens when you actually skip? The skipped workout will be marked as incomplete, so your plan continues normally with your next scheduled workout. As for an important type note, if you skip multiple workouts, the app will eventually offer to realign your plan automatically. So just don't skip much, like basically skip one max or two. I don't know, if you really need to, just skip one. You shouldn't double up. If you skip like a workout, do not try to run it later in the same week on top of your other workouts. Just move on since recovery really matters. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.